Hey guys, welcome back. So we recently stayed at the Royalton in St. Lucia, which is an all-inclusive resort. So in this video, I will be giving you guys a tour of our room, which was a luxury junior suite ocean view room. So let's go ahead and get started. They do also have swim ups, so just so you know, those are available as well. So this resort does not use key cards. Upon check-in, they will give you a bracelet, and that is your key card that opens up your room. This is the door that I just walked in through. Make sure to place this on the outside of your door if you would like your room serviced, or if you wouldn't. We typically placed it on the outside of the door the night before. Over here, you do have your light switches, and this kind of controls the entire room, but there are more located throughout the room as well. This is the toilet area. It is a little snug, but no complaints here. At least it's separated from the rest of the room because, as you can see, it is pretty open. There's plenty of closet space. They do have umbrellas in the rooms. At least our room had an umbrella for us to use. It did rain sporadically throughout our trip, and we were there towards the end of August into September. They also had 2 robes there for us. The safe is located down below, and then you have your steamer. We prefer irons, and we asked for one, but they did tell us that they were moving away from those, so just kind of keep that in mind. Also, you have the jetted tub located in the grand open space. I honestly don't think I've ever used one of these, and I've stayed at plenty of resorts that did not have it enclosed. We also noticed that not all the towels were clean. Mind you, we just walked into the room and there was a spot on that one, so we did request new ones. Now this shower, gorgeous. This might be one of the best showers we've seen at an all-inclusive resort. The double shower heads were 10 out of 10. Water pressure was amazing. They also provide shampoo and conditioner and lotion in the shower, so you don't necessarily have to pack your own if you don't want to. There's also a hair dryer and also plenty of storage space underneath the double sinks. Now the hand soap, which is that bar that's, I want to say that's like a pinkish purplish maroon color, they did not replace those daily, so also keep that in mind. Over here, you do have your makeup mirror that lights up. The light honestly did not do much at all. I think it's just there to look cute for aesthetics. Are 2 floating side tables by the beds. You have your outlets, the USB port. There's also a knob that controls the speed levels of the fan, so that's located on that side. You also have a few light switches and also a reading light. There is a full-length mirror connected on the door to the adjoining room. Now, we didn't book that, so that stayed locked this entire time, but they do have that as an option. There's also more storage, and down here you have your mini bar area, which has the coffee maker, 2 coffee mugs. It has your ice bucket, and then the mini fridge. Ours was restocked daily with complimentary water, sodas, and I think that's beer. I'm not too sure. Honestly, I only went in there for water. Above it, you do have a decent sized TV, which has advertisements running the entire time. Now, there was an option for live TV, but that setting just didn't work on our TV. So we did put in a service request for it. They said they fixed it, but they didn't. And I mean, that's okay because we're not there to watch TV, but I would like the option. So if you go on the Royalton app and you click on My Services, you can submit room request through there, which is amazing. So as you can see, they have offers, massages, facials, a lot of spa-like activities, your room service. All of that can be found on the app if you need anything. So if you click at your service, and this pops up, which is 24/7. So you can put in a request for literally anything. If a light's not working, your phone's not working, the TV, the shower, the air conditioning, if you need an extra bed. So what you'll do, I clicked on TV and then I clicked order. You type in your comments and then there's a submit option down below. Again, wasn't really fixed for us, but that's all right. We weren't really tripping off of it. Over here, you do have another side table, which has a reading light. You have more room light controls. Also, we didn't find the thermostat till way later, guys. Like, this was hidden behind the phone the entire time and just didn't realize it. So if you're looking for your thermostat, check behind the phone. It's probably back there. Then have your couch area. Didn't sit on it too much. It is a little firm. And then you have a table. Now, it is what it is. This is advertised as a 5-star. I would maybe give it 4, but that's all right. Didn't need the table for anything either. So it is what it is. Our view. Y'all, this view, beautiful. Our balcony was great. Again, we booked an ocean view room. Now, we were right in front of the kid area, and this is building 6. This is the view you will get from building 6, which is right in front of the kid area. So you do have 2 chairs. You also have a table located right there. We were also on the 4th floor. Okay, building 6, 4th floor. This was the gorgeous view. So yeah, overall, we thoroughly enjoyed this room. I do have additional videos that I will be posting with a full resort tour. Make sure you're subscribed and stay tuned for that, as well as fun things to do while you're in St. Lucia. So I appreciate you guys for watching thus far. This is also the view at nighttime, which I will leave you guys with, and I will see you guys next time.